Glass hair? Sign me up. We are going to be testing out from across New York City with my friend Bianca, Moroccan Oil High Shine Gloss Mask. Moroccan Oil's most recent launch promises reflective shine, instantly boosts shine for hair that looks and feels healthier, providing rich conditioning benefits with their Argan ID technology. Fancy. Helps repair and seal the cuticle, experiencing silky smooth hair and touchable soft results from the very first use. So this is our starting point. Step one is to shampoo the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. A little bit of purple shampoo. This is for sure the toughest test I could put it through. I don't know if you guys remember it, but I've surely mentioned it a million times on this channel. The Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask, probably one of my favorite, no, it is for sure my favorite hair mask by Moroccan Oil, and it has been in my top 5 for many years. We will see how it compares. They are promising different things, so let's go ahead and try this. Here we go. Hey, it said generously. The next step is to comb through. Go. Hey Google, can you please let me know in 5 minutes?
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, there we go. Hey Google, thank you. I used a shower. Look at that. I am soaking wet. Squeezing very gently the excess water. I am not surprised that there are 0 tangles. Yeah, it doesn't smell that much as the Moroccan Oil hydrating masks. The feel of the hair is very nice and slippery. If you've been around for a while, you know I've been using the Elgin 3900 for many years. Actually, I think it was my first purchase when I got here to the US, because of course it had 2 at home back in Argentina, and when I got here I had to buy one with the correct voltage for the US. And the reason I own so many hair dryers and I still go to this one is that it has a great ionic technology, which is great for my fine frizzy hair texture. It really helps me fight frizz and makes my blowouts last longer, which is something I really appreciate because it is one hell of a workout to blow dry my hair. Okay, let's split the screen now, and I'm gonna show you guys the before, which was really bad. Once again, day 2 hair, it was unstyled, it was a bit of a bedhead, and my hair texture is really complicated. That's why I always blow dry my hair. So clearly this is a much better situation to be. Yeah, so the hair is more manageable, smoother, and there is a little bit more shine. However, there's also the studio light. I want to show you guys how things look without studio lights, because these things are bright. So let me just go ahead and you're ready to see me with no lighting. Ooh, okay. That's a bit of a gloss effect there, even in spite of having no lights. So it's just the indirect lighting coming from the windows. Let's turn on those lights. Clearly it's not like I'm a disco ball of shine in this, which is maybe what little Heidi inside me was expecting. Still, we have to remember that I used the purple shampoo. It makes it a little bit more dry, it makes it a little bit more dull. That's just how purple shampoos work, even amazing ones such as the one I use. Because I wanted to really test this out and give it a good challenge, let's say. Blonde hair even if it's colored and not bleached like mine. It's still, I guess, the hair that typically lacks more shine. It has a good detangling power, a very nice fragrance. It is not something that is weighing my hair down at all. It seems to be extension friendly. As you guys know, I do have a thin layer of extensions to make up for the volume lost when my hair got burned off at the salon. I'm very curious, you guys, about doing a side-by-side with my favorite Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. Because of the starting point and the purple shampoo, this is actually a great result for this mask. I'm gonna give it, let's say, an 8. I was looking for a more sealed effect. The one thing that I'm really impressed by is that silky feel, which is one of its claims. Experience silky smooth hair and touchably soft results. If you like touching your hair like me, tell me I'm not the only one who has a bit of a tick touching their hair. If your significant other likes to touch your hair as well, I think this is kind of a sexy hair mask. So all in all, do I see myself repurchasing this? Yes, I would say so. I like it. I'm not sure if I would repurchase this instead of my Intense Hydrating Mask by the same brand. I feel like that one has a very special place in my heart. Let me know in the comments below which other MoroccanOil products or more or less recent launches that I've missed on my channel you'd like me to test out next. So we're gonna go for a walk now. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it helped you decide whether you need this hair mask or not. Let me know in the comments below which other hair masks or hair products you'd like me to test out next for this series. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with us here today, and I will catch up with you all again on my next one.